The United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization in 2008 stated, "Literacy involves a continuum of learning in enabling individuals to achieve their goals, to develop their knowledge and potential, and to participate fully in their community and wider society." After undertaking the unit, Literacy for Educators, I have begun to better understand the effects my own literacy abilities will have on my pedagogical practices, as my literacy abilities will impact upon the students. The good news, as already stated, is that literacy is on a continuum, and that in partaking in this unit of study, that my literacy skills have shown improvements. When I commenced university studies, my essays were receiving grades that were lower than my expectations. I was confused by my mistakes, and I didn't understand my weaknesses with the written word. The first assignment within this unit had us look into our weaknesses in academic writing by submitting a written piece to online digital tools. Through active engagement with this task, I learned that I was constantly using complex expressions. But what is a complex expression? This thought perplexed me, and so I undertook further readings until I understood that this mistake was in joining too many ideas into one sentence, causing reader confusion. As the unit progressed, I actively engaged with online digital tools and found other weaknesses within my written work, primarily complex expressions and the usage of a passive voice. These online digital tools have assisted my literacy growth by providing personal insights into my weaknesses, and I will continue to use them within my future studies. As the unit progressed, I expanded my knowledge on how children use language and the diversity of language within society. This was shown when I completed the second assignment and considered how language can both be considered standard and diverse. Custrad stated that many educators deem students that speak non-standard English as children with extra needs. However, that this language is functional and meets the needs of the people that speak it. An example is Aboriginal English, where the language has a restricted vocabulary. However, despite this, the people that use this form of English are able to thrive in their communities. This research led me to contemplate my personal belief systems, as I found that previously I would have considered these students to have extra needs, and shows personal growth as I now understand the importance of supporting children from diverse cultural backgrounds with literacy to enhance their cultural identities. These insights formed from completing Literacy for Educators will be valuable skills that I can take into the communities I teach once qualified. Thank you for listening.